Welcome to Best Choice. The best Ezgo Rxv seat covers is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for any golf cart owner, transforming your ride from a potentially worn-out and uncomfortable experience into a stylish and protected sanctuary on the course or wherever your adventures take you. Number 5. 10L0L Golf Cart Seat Covers for Ezgo and Club Car. Give your golf cart a fresh new look with these premium seat covers. They are designed to fit Ezgo TXT, Rxv, and Club Car DS models from 2000 onwards. Protect your seats from spills, stains, and wear and tear. The breathable air mesh fabric keeps you comfortable, cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Crafted from durable, non-slip, anti-static air mesh fabric, these covers offer superior comfort and longevity for your rides. Installation is a breeze with adjustable straps and a buckle design, requiring no tools. Plus, they are machine washable for easy maintenance. These covers are designed for a snug fit on front bench seats. Please measure your seats before ordering to ensure compatibility. Planning to cover your rear seats too? If they match the front dimensions, you can order a second set. We also offer alternative sizes for different rear seat dimensions. What we like. This option offers excellent breathability for comfortable rides in any weather. It provides comprehensive protection for both your seat bottom and backrest against spills and wear. If you are looking for a practical and comfortable upgrade that's easy to install and maintain, this is a great choice for everyday use. What people say. With the cinching ties to tighten the fit around the smaller seat, it's pulled taut enough to look great. Super easy to install the backrest plus front bottom seat. Arrived quickly, or easy to install providing you take the time not to rush. We have an Ezgo car, in red, and the color is perfect. They fit great, easy to put on. They stay in place, the quality is good. They look good too. Number 4. 10L0L Golf Cart Seat Covers for Ezgo TXT Rxv. Are your golf cart seats looking worn and faded? Give your cart a fresh, new look with our stylish and well-made seat covers. Designed for a perfect fit, these covers are made from breathable polyester mesh. They keep you comfortable year-round, warm in winter and cool in summer. Installation is a breeze with adjustable straps and a retractable buckle. When it's time to clean, simply toss them in the wash and air dry. Crafted from durable, non-slip, and anti-static fabric, they provide a comfortable and secure seating experience. This set includes both front and rear seat covers, offering a great upgrade for your worn seat cushions. Transform your golf cart today. Specifically designed for Ezgo TXT Rxv 4-passenger models with factory original seats. Please check compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This set is designed for 4-passenger carts, offering both front and rear seat coverage for a complete interior refresh. It's made with breathable fabric to keep you comfortable year-round. If you have a 4-passenger Ezgo TXT or Rxv and want to give your entire cart a stylish new look while ensuring comfort in all seasons, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The covers fit perfectly and were easy to install. Have gotten a lot of compliments on how nice they look. Easy to clean, easy to install and very durable. We have 3 kids and a puppy and our seats still look new. Must have. The covers are great. They add a nice touch to my golf cart. Very nice eye appeal. Number 3. 10L0L Golf Cart Seat Covers for Ezgo and Club Car. Introducing a premium seat cover set designed for your golf cart. Keep your seats protected and looking great, no matter the season. Specifically tailored for Ezgo TXT Rxv and Club Car DS models. This set includes covers for both front and rear seats, ensuring a snug fit. Crafted from 3D air mesh polyester, these covers offer superior breathability. Stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter with this innovative material. Enhance the look of your golf cart with a stylish two-tone design. These durable covers not only protect but also refresh the appearance of your seats. Installation is a breeze with tool-less adjustable straps and a retractable buckle. Plus, they are machine washable for effortless cleaning. Please measure your rear seat dimensions before ordering to ensure the best fit. While elastic, slight variations are acceptable. What we like. Featuring a stylish two-tone design, this set specifically caters to Ezgo Rxv and TXT models with a smaller rear seat. It's perfect for renewing the look of older seats or protecting new ones. If you appreciate a fashionable aesthetic and need a precise fit for your Ezgo with a distinct rear seat size, this option will add a touch of flair to your cart. What people say. The seat covers fit my 2015 Ezgo Rxv perfectly, covering the entire seat without any gaps. The material is durable and has held up well to daily use, resisting tears and stains. Installation was straightforward, taking less than 15 minutes to secure the covers in place. Number 2. Huskey Golf Cart Seat Covers for Ezgo Rxv. Give your golf cart a completely new and upgraded look. Replace your worn-out old seat covers with our premium solution for a fresh appearance. Experience a luxurious feel with our custom two-tone black diamond stitching. The intricate detailing and elegant piping provide a high-quality, sophisticated finish. Crafted from marine-grade vinyl, these covers are built to last. They are treated with UV inhibitors to prevent fading and are guaranteed not to crack in cold weather. Enjoy a more cushioned ride thanks to the 1-2-inch thick extra foam padding. These covers are designed for both comfort and style. These seat covers are specifically designed for the front and rear seats of Ezgo Rxv 2008 and newer gas and electric models. Please ensure your cart model matches for a perfect fit. Installation is straightforward with our staple-on design. Step-by-step instructions are included to help you easily refresh your cart's interior. What we like. This option boasts premium marine-grade vinyl with elegant diamond stitching and extra foam padding for a luxurious and comfortable ride. It's a staple-on design for a snug, custom fit. If you're seeking the ultimate in durability, comfort, and a high-end, upgraded look for your Ezgo Rxv, and you're comfortable with a stapled installation, this is the premium choice. What people say. The seams were stitched very well and the seats look great. This seat cover is made to fit your cart. Nice thick quality, nothing cheap or elastic. Quality of the product is great and the extra foam cushion it has was also a nice add. Number 1. NOKINS Golf Cart Diamond Seat Covers Kit. Introducing the NOKINS Golf Cart Diamond Seat Covers Kit, designed to add a touch of luxury and elegance to your ride. This kit offers a premium look and feel that will surely turn heads on the course. Specifically designed for Ezgo TXT models from 1994 to 2013 and Ezgo Rxv models with OEM standard front cushions. Please ensure your seat dimensions match our specifications before purchasing for a perfect fit. Crafted from high-quality, super soft vinyl, these covers are built to last. They are scratch-resistant, easy to clean, and designed to prevent fading and cracking, ensuring a comfortable ride in any weather. Experience hassle-free installation with our innovative design. Simply slip the covers over your existing seats and secure them with the adjustable straps and buckles, no tools or nails required. The unique diamond appearance adds a sophisticated and luxurious touch to your golf cart. Enjoy ultimate comfort and a visually stunning upgrade that enhances your driving experience. NOKINS is dedicated to providing high-quality products with patented designs. We are committed to your satisfaction and offer prompt after-sales service for any issues you may encounter. What we like. With its eye-catching diamond appearance, this kit adds a touch of luxury and elegance without requiring any nails for installation. The high-quality vinyl is durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. If you desire a stylish, comfortable upgrade for your Ezgo TXT or Rxv front seats and prefer a toolless, nail-free installation process, this cover offers both aesthetics and practicality. What people say. Waterproof, which is a great plus. The fit was amazing. They are a little tight to get on but doable, and honestly that's what makes they look so nice. The fact that they are nice and snug makes them look like actual upholstered seats. Fits perfectly and very sturdy. The first set we bought was 3 years ago and they still look brand new. Water pools right off and easy to wipe off, leaving no marks. Installation was pretty easy. If you let them sit in the sunshine and warm up, it helps a lot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.